Hi garden friends, I'm back and today I'll be making a terracotta succulent arrangement in this 8-inch terracotta pot, and I'll show you the plants that I have. I have a beautiful Haworthia Turgida. Check that out. Check out the detail on the leaves there. You see those lines? And it's translucent so you can see through the leaves, and that is how Haworthias absorb the sun. Isn't that cool how the light goes through? It's called leaf windows. Oh, and this turgida here has a bunch of babies. Look at that. So all around her, she's got a ton of babies just growing. I just love the form of their rosettes. They're just so beautiful, just so different, right? Haworthia Turgida. Oh, and of course the lime green. I love it. I have a Crassula Silver Springtime, and let me get a little closer so you can see the cute little, let's see, the flower buds here. Maybe I'm getting too close. There you go. So it's a cluster of flower buds, and they're pink, super cute. So there's two of them here. Crassula Silver Springtime, and they grow stacked like a typical Crassula would, nice and tall, but I can't wait for those blooms to actually flower. Another Crassula here. This is Crassula Ivory Tower, and I've got 3 of them. Super beautiful, super stressed out. They grow tall, and you can see those margins are nice and red. Now going to the other side here. Ooh, this is a weirdo. This is, let's see. Let me remember. Lapidaria, Margaretae, I believe, also known as Karoo Rose. Obviously, you know, it's a weird one. It's very beautiful. The shape of the leaves are just so unique. It reminds me of Leimani ice plant, but it isn't. And it's this like purple, blue, I mean, oh, they're gorgeous. And this one is a little beat up. It was eaten. It got munched on by something right there. A few of the leaves, actually. That one too, right there, and that one. But it has new growth there, like you can see in between this leaf here. There's a new leaf coming out, so they're starting to split. Oh, Karoo Rose. If you see one at your garden center, ooh, snatch it up because they're rare. Okay, now this peachy beauty right here, and these are all kind of beat up. This is a Graptopetalum Paraguayense, and it's nice and peachy right now. And yeah, the leaves here, they're a little munched on too, but it happened a while ago. So there's a lot of new growth there. So it's recovered. It's okay to have a little, you know, beat up plants. They recover. Don't throw them away. And I have 3 Graptoveria Moonglows. Another peachy one. Look at it. Look how, oh, look at that color. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. And I've got 3 of them. So let's see how this arrangement comes out. Okay, so let me fill my pot here with soil all the way to the top. It is a beautiful day here in San Diego. Oh my God, it's a little chilly. It's still like mid-50s right now. It's the morning over here, but it feels so good because it's not windy. It's just kind of nippy. When it's windy, it's not that much. It's not that fun when it's windy out. Okay, and there I go. So let me start with this beautiful, I'm gonna give it a little cleanup. It's a little dirty. Okay. I will put this one with all of its babies right here. So not in the center, but off center towards the back. And very shallow roots, as you can see. All right, and I'm going to be careful with those roots. Kind of tuck them in there. There we go. Press it down a little bit. Anchor it down with that soil around it, making sure that all of those roots are buried under there. Perfect. All right. So that's a good start. Then I'll go for my, let's see, Graptoveria right over here. And we'll do this little Karoo Rose right over here. There we go. And let's see, I'll do a small Crassula Ivory tower right over here. I'm just trying to spread out the succulents. Trying not to group them together, because that's what I usually do. I'll group them all together. And, you know, both methods look great. But for this one, I'll try to spread it out a little more. And now, I'll do the, let's see. Should I do the silver springtime here? Here. Just trying to see. Put another ivory tower right over here. Tuck that one in. Right there. And I'll do a smaller Moonglow right over here. Cute, okay. And the springtime, yeah. Let's see. Rotate it and put it right over here. Okay, that's good. And I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3 more, and they're all different. So we'll put another not a springtime, but ivory tower right over here. And yeah, just like that. And I'll put the Paraguayense. Stick it right in there. And I could have actually grabbed a few more succulents for this size of a planter, but I didn't. But I think that it looks fine. Just the way it is like this. I just, you know, I normally like to put a little more plants in. But it's a good balance. I'll spread them out a little more just because there is room for them. Spread them out a little more, just like that. Ooh, how pretty is that? That came out nice. I like it. I'm gonna grab my little brush here, since I didn't make such a big mess. I'll get it out of the way. Just like that. Oh, and that came out nice. And of course, I'm going to add some stones. And I'll tuck some here, some there. Wherever I see the, wherever I see soil, I'll put some stones on top of it. And I just think it makes it look a lot better. Kind of gives it that finished look, especially when you have like weirdos like this one. They look good surrounded by stones, in my opinion. I don't do much talking when I'm doing this. I'm trying to concentrate. I'm trying to get all the little spots covered. Sometimes it takes a really long time, sometimes it doesn't. It all depends what mood I'm in. I love the balance of the Moonglows. Oh, they're just such a beautiful color right now. They're usually a bit more on the blue side, green side, but right now, because they haven't been getting a lot of water, it's turned out like this. So it's a bit stressed. So once it starts receiving a little more water with like regular waterings, now that it's in a planter, it'll start to turn a healthier color. Not saying that it's not healthy, but it is a little stressed. They do need some water. If you water your succulents, they will perform a lot better. Don't underwater them too much, because then they will start to die on you. Dry up. And I think I'm done with this arrangement. And it came out so nice. I really like it. I'm going to grab my little brush here. I'm going to try and brush off some of the soil. Oh, isn't that just so pretty? I'm going to try and pick it up here. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh, I really like these right here, the way they look. Yeah, super simple. And I hope that you enjoyed this arrangement. I did. Got my little garden time on. I feel good. And until the next time, happy planting. Bye, garden friends.